salute and respect with pride. The Philippine Merchant Marine Academy's own way of greeting and hoping that you will enjoy watching the performance. The man of love, sacrifice, and salvation, Jesus. We bow our heads to show our faith, respect, and reverence while we go through our days as merchant marine officers and Christians for His glory. And we ask His intercession to bless us and make this day and the days to come to be fruitful and successful. May the good Lord bless us always. Our honors four-letter PMMA. The Philippine Merchant Marine Academy signifies the molding portals that will serve as our constant guide in steering the path against the high seas. From an innocent boy to a man of valor and honor, and from an ordinary civilian to a PMMA midshipman with a very promising future is something to be cherished. It's a step-by-step transformation of a human being that every institution can undertake. From these portals rose the people who were never contented of being instruments and workers, but stepped forward to become maritime leaders and professionals. Perhaps leaders are born, yet PMMA also proves leaders could be made. These are the people who have the guts, the heart, and the brain. We are very proud of PMMA, and we would like to show our most profound gratitude to our alma mater. Raise yourselves, ladies and gentlemen, to hear and feel the cry of the few, the proud, the pioneer. Their grouping formation. This symbolizes the essence of unity, as the saying goes, united we stand, divided we fall. Distinguished from the rest by their strong brotherhood, otherwise known as the camaraderie. This group of individuals have their own characters, values, and beliefs, and aims the same goal and purpose for every midshipman to bloom in their full potentials. The grouping formation signifies the unsurpassed brotherhood being displayed among PMMA midshipmen, the kind of unity that flows with time. The heart. This symbol might be common, as we all know, but this embodies that every midshipman has a heart that glows in every encountered situation. PMMA midshipmen are not only living in a regimental system. Our hearts are not stiff. We are also human who needs love and gives love to special someone. We, the PMMAers, want you to know that lucky is the man who wins the first love of a woman, but luckier is the woman who wins the last love of a PMMAer. Ladies, for your information, the midshipmen performing the drills are free to hear and comfort you with your problems in life's passion. For particulars, see or contact PMMA at area code 047, numbers 9134396, or visit us personally at PMMA Complex, San Narciso, Zambales. The propeller. The Philippine Merchant Marine Academy offers a Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering, proudly the first institution in the land that offers this course. The propeller represents the engineering course of the PMMA, where the efficient and effective marine engineers came from. This signifies the showing force that shall always keep our spirit high towards the giant waves of our demanding profession. On board the ship, the engineers are responsible for the ship's power and auxiliary systems. Without the technical prowess of the marine engineers, the ship is nothing but a powerless floating mass of metal. Brace yourself, ladies and gentlemen, as we give salute to the future gunshot engineers of the Philippines. This is a familiar maritime symbol, the anchor. It is generally the symbol of maritime industry, but what is more in this heavy piece of metal? Well, this is the very object that secures the ship on the seafloor, regardless of the wind or current, thus symbolizing firmness and stability, a quality trait of every midshipman in the decision-making and the way of living. The anchor also symbolizes the other course offered by this institution, the Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation. Under this course, the midshipmen are trained to be the most competent world-class marine officers in the arts and sciences of navigation. Let us hear the voice of victory masters of the 7 seas. This is the insignia, the symbol of a Navy officer, a second lieutenant RNC. The PMMA midshipmen are commissioned in the Philippine Navy upon graduation and licensed as a naval officer with this rank. The years of trials, hardships, and training instilled in the academy to inculcate discipline to the midshipmen is a part of the program to prepare the evolved form leadership induced by the Philippine Navy. The sex symbol, the symbol of man and woman of grace and beauty. It is known to everyone that PMMA has already produced efficient and well-trained marine officers, both cadets and cadets, since the Academy started accepting female applicants. And with this, I'm encouraging those who are willing to join to be a part of what they call the few good men and women of the PMMA. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, the Silent Drill Company will take a minute of stillness. From this juncture, you will witness the most daring performance out of their lives. Brace yourself for what you will see is a very rare phenomenon.